In this video, I will show you how you can use custom SMTPs with your VBOUT account. Once you've installed the add-on, you can see on the top right under settings, a new menu appear called Custom SMTP. Navigate your way there and you will notice an Add Custom SMTP option. I already configured one, so I can show you how it works. It is with SparkPost. It has the details here. I'm not using SMTP credentials, but instead I'm using an API key, which is a little bit more powerful. It offers more options and faster sending. I have two sub-accounts under me because I am an agency that are using this SMTP pool, and it is active. Now VBOUT allows you to configure multiple SMTPs. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on Add Custom SMTP. I'm gonna give it a name, and this name is for your own reference. So I can say this is SendGrid. And from the dropdown, you'll notice I have some pre-configured options, SparkPost, SendGrid, and soon I'll have Amazon SCS, and then custom. So you don't have to only use those providers. It can be literally anything. The only difference, if you use these providers, is we will provide a faster sending through API queuing. We will also provide a little more detailed tracking in terms of bounce backs, return bounce codes, and other tracking options. We will still track open rates and click-throughs, whichever option that you choose, but with those, SparkPost, SendGrid, and Amazon will have more analytics for you. I will choose SendGrid, and I'll have two ways to authenticate. One of them is the use SMTP credentials, or the other option, which is a little bit more, as I said, powerful, is the API key option. And if you've used SendGrid, you'll know how to generate an API key. I've already generated one for speed of this demo. I'm gonna paste it here, and this email is just for testing. You can change this to anything that you want. And submit. Here we go. Now I have SendGrid added, I have SparkPost, so I have two different pools, and you can keep on adding as many as you want. The default one is SparkPost, and I have two accounts under me using it, whereas SendGrid, I don't have any sub-accounts. So you can see here, I am actually defaulting my account to one SMTP, while maybe I'm provisioning another, and perhaps I want to create different sending services for different accounts. So if you're an agency, this is a function for you. On the right side, you'll see which are the assigned accounts. In this case, I'll have all my sub-accounts as an agency. So let's say I want to have this account using this pool, and now I have one under me. Very easy. If I want to change and make SendGrid as a default, all I gotta do is just click on Set as Default on the account, and that should be good to go. You see those two options: set it on my own account and set it for my for agency sub accounts in general. All right. So if you want any of them to be the default, you can go ahead and click that. In the future, if you add other accounts, they will automatically be using that pool. So this is it. I will summarize real quick. One, you can add multiple SMTP pools and SMTP accounts to VBOUT. You can choose which one is the default for you, or what is the default for you and your sub-accounts if and only if you're an agency. You have the ability to set which sub-account is using which pool. If you use any of the predefined services, you'll have more in-depth tracking, whereas if you use custom, you might lose some of those bounce back tracking that we offer. So this is it, guys. A very powerful feature, well requested. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you.